and welcome to this CNC tutorial where we're going to walk you through from beginning to end, from setting up the file in Vectric through to importing the file in your CNC software and your CNC machine, and then running the paths on the CNC to finish up the product. It's pretty standard three-dimensional carve. There's a lot of good YouTube videos out there to really zero in and dial in. This is really just an initial overview at the beginning. If you want me to do a more detailed version of this, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to provide a step-by-step approach where we really kind of scrutinize every decision that we go through on this process. So with that, let's jump in.